guys, today's video I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new NikonD5300. Okay, here it is, guys. Jaran. So here it is, guys. Here is the box inside. Oh, so maybe this is the body. I don't know what is this. So it says here it's NikonD5300 EFP1855 kit. So let's see what is inside of this small box. This is the 18-55 lens. There it is. So here it is. How could we open it? I'll show it to you later if you press this one. The lens, I'm going to put it inside like that. So that's it in the small box. So we're going to open the body. There is the guarantee. Here's the manual, everything is here inside. There. So I'm not going to open it. And we'll open it later. So there is a CD for the Nikon View NX2. This is to install something inside. So look at that inside, guys. I'll show you. Here is the body parts. Okay, there it is. So because it's new, here is the body and there is the lens. Okay, and we're not finished yet. There's something more here inside. One is done. So it was the body inside. Today I'm going to see what is inside of this box, right? So we have here the belt. There it is. Belt on. So you can put it inside in your neck. Have something more. We have the charger. There is the charger. This is it, guys. We have one more thing inside. Adapter. USB. Here is the USB. And that's the camera. Three colors behind the TV. There are three colors also. You can attach the same. There is a round adapter. This is the round adapter. So if you want to use this one here in Europe, you can just put this, attach this flat adapter on this one here inside the back side. Here there is back side hole, you can put it there. So there it is. You can charge it like this. There is the battery. Of course, take off the plastic bag and remove it from the, and there it is. The battery should go here, this one, the black one, and put it like this, okay, and charge it. Okay, so that's it. We have to assemble the camera, and we can attach this inside. Where is the battery? You can see the battery here. Look at this, guys. Just open it here. Okay. We put the battery that we put here, then remove it, and it says that we have to see this inside, should be inside there. Okay, and flip. Okay, so this one was the lock. It's locked inside, so close it. Ding. And guys, if you have a tripod, you can attach it into your tripod like this here, so that you can do the recording. And the next thing we will do, we will attach the lens. So we have to remove the cover of the lens, and we should attach the lens. Remove it and put this inside. So if you see this this white thing here, you must to put it there in the white dot also, like this, right? So we have to turn it. Okay, if you hear the sound tick, it's done, right? This one, there is an off and on button, so we should switch it on. So now it's already on. Okay, and now if we want to make a photo shot, we can press it here. When we press it and turn it like that, so that the lens will zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so we have to press this thing and do like this back. Okay, so how could we use it in our hand? We should hold it properly. Put your hand here and this, your elbow, like this, like this. You cannot do like that. No, you should do like this. Okay. Let me put first the belt. All right. are taking the picture, it's only like that. Put it inside here, your eyes on the center, of course. And if you want to see the photos, just click this one, like your. Okay, there it is. So you can see this. There it is. Yeah. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my god. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We're done here. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell below so that you will be updated to my new upload videos, right? Thank you so much. Bye bye.